Father, are you in there?
Oh, honey, come in.
Alright then, I'm coming.
What is it? Make it quick. Your father and I will be heading to Marston's place.
To Monsters? For what, Mother?
Excuse me? Have you forgot that you and Richard will be married months from now?
What?
Yes, dear. You heard your mother right.
But Father, I want to be someone who takes care, who's ill in needs, and it's a marriage. I don't want it.
Stop it, dear. It won't happen.
But why?
Stop this lunacy, you young lady.
Both of you, how could you?
It was Victorian era that a young lady of Nightingale's lineage was expected to marry by any means.
Good day. May I? Oh, hello. Yeah, sure.
It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Huh? Sure, it is.
I'm Elizabeth, and you are?
Florence.
Not
I'm
too long,
Florence.
Florence told her new friend how she dreamed
really?
of taking care of people.
And I think it's my clothes.
Come on, let's go for our drinks.
In 1844, Florence enrolled as a nursing student at Lutheran Hospital of Pastor Fliedner in Kaiserwerth, Germany. In year 1853, a chaos between the Catholics and Orthodox Christians was brought to existence.
But we try at least.
Get off your hands on this, Florence. Get off.
You're out of your mind.
I need you to do something.
Alright, I get it.
A newspaper was published that soldiers are now dying because of disease, and somehow altered the government's decision.
Help us! Help us!
What happened to her? Give me a piece of cloth. Do you know it?
Florence became a national heroine in year 1856 and began a campaign to improve the quality of nursing in military hospitals that led to the formation of the Army Medical College in year 1857.
If men could work, so do us women. And to all of you, young people of this generation, you are a part of your client's environment. Utilizing yourself would be the key to their betterment.